So we're walking towards Mango Avenue now, General Maximum, where the parade is gonna pass. But you can see it's raining here in Cebu, but you can see the influx of people just to honor the Santo Niño is unbelievable. So the count of the procession who attended yesterday was 1.3 million. That's why we need to go out early. It's so crowded and the procession is hardly moving. It's just so many devotees was attending that procession yesterday. So you can see the buildings that's going on in Cebu City. People selling souvenirs on the sidewalk, henna tattoos. Despite the hardship, the rain, the mud, people still flock to the Sinulog parade. Young, old, male, female, and the LGBTs are present. Even foreigners.
But there's a lot of ugly people flooding the streets. And there are also a lot of ugly people, including me, flooding around the streets of Cebu.
Ay, nag-pistol yun!
Guapa kayo. Fairness, guapa siya dahil.
Yes.
Hindi na ponggat. So this is Sinulog experience. You're not experiencing Sinulog if you will not be experiencing walking for like around a kilometer of your life.
Yeah, because the transportation just block you cannot go through where the area is. There's a certain stop that they do.
Go down.
what we see right here is all the young people. That's why I park in waterfront, because you can't get out when the festival's over. The influx of people will be worse. That you will be hearing at the background is the typical music for the Sinulog. So usually it's very noisy, because that is the Sinulog bass sound or music that you will be hearing at the background. And we're almost near to the So you have to walk like a kilometer just to watch the Mardi Gras, and I'm doing that for you. It's raining now. Actually, it's always like this is the kind of as I have observed, this is the kind of weather that you have to experience during Sinulog. I've been here in Cebu for since like 2004, and ever since I've been like witnessing Sinulog. It's just only once I can remember that's gonna be a shiny and very, broad daylight or like summer. But this is always the weather you will experience. But for me, it's just actually good. I don't know if it's a blessing coming from the Almighty, but it's more on like good, because it's good to be walking when it's not hot. Anyway, this would not do you harm, this kind of weather.